Hi YouTube family. I'm going to share a little quick recipe with you, but this is one of our famous recipes from our town, Tanglewood pie that was served at the Courthouse Cafe. What you're going to need is 2 pie crusts. Now I use the Pillsbury pie crust that you roll out and just put them in these disposable pie pans. That's going to be your pie crust. You're going to bake those for 10 to 12 minutes at 450 degrees. You're going to let them cool. Then we're going to line the bottom of the pie crust with sliced bananas. After we get done with that, the filling will be this component. You will whip 2 cups of whipped topping till stiff peaks form. Then in a separate bowl, you will whip 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese and 1½ cups of granulated sugar until well blended. Once you've done that, you're going to mix it with the whipping cream that has already been beat to 2 peaks. Then when you combine those together, you're going to get this consistency. Then we will line these pies with the bananas, fill it with this cream topping, with cream and whipped topping. And then the top of it, the main top will be blueberry pie filling, and you just use from a can. It doesn't sound like much, but it's absolutely delicious. So I hope you try this recipe. If you do, leave it in the comments below. Have you ever heard of Tanglewood pie? And if you have, did you like it, or has it been called something different? Let me know. Here's a tip when you're serving pie. If you'll use a pair of scissors and cut your tin down just a little bit on that first piece, look how clean it comes out. Makes it very easy, and then you can just take it right on out there, just like that. All right, I hope you like this video. I hope you'll try this recipe.